With remote work on the rise, video conferencing tools have become essential, but most people get this wrong when comparing options. Zoho Meeting isn't just another meeting app. It's designed for secure, easy, and integrated online meetings, webinars, and team collaboration. Zoho Meeting allows you to host video calls, share screens, and record sessions with HD quality. One of its biggest advantages is integration. It works seamlessly with Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, and other Zoho apps, so scheduling and managing meetings is easier if you are already in the Zoho ecosystem. You can also integrate with Google Calendar and Microsoft Teams. Webinars are another strong point. Zoho Meeting supports registration pages, automated reminders, and analytics to track attendee engagement. This makes it ideal for online training, marketing events, and customer demos. Security is solid, with SSL encryption and two-factor authentication, which is critical for business meetings. The downside is that Zoho Meeting may not have as many advanced features as some competitors like Zoom or Microsoft Teams for very large enterprises, and the free plan is limited in features and participant numbers. However, for small to medium businesses, it's more than enough and often more affordable. In conclusion, Zoho Meeting is a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use platform for professional video calls and webinars, especially if you are already using Zoho products. It's a great alternative for businesses looking for integration, security, and cost efficiency. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more software reviews that make remote work easier and smarter.